Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. This is mostly Halloween stuff. I'm really excited. This will be my first year in my house for fall and for Halloween. And I don't usually decorate for Halloween, but since I will be having trick-or-treaters, I thought I might just do a little bit in my entryway. So I found these adorable pumpkins. These are like a hollow resin. They're not very heavy, but they're so adorable. And there are about 3 collections of different Halloween pumpkins that are at Dollar Tree right now. I'm going to insert some pictures right now of the other 2 sets. But I like these the most because there was the least amount of sparkle on these and they were just the most simplistic, and I cannot get over this little black and white one that's all matte. I think it's so cute. There's no glitter on this, so I really like this. Of course you could just buy the regular pumpkins at Dollar Tree and paint them yourselves, but this one is already done for you. This one is orange with the glitter black polka dots, and it does have a black stem, and I thought that was adorable. And then of course I love this one. It's black polka dotted white base, and it's really cute. So there is one more pumpkin to this collection. It's just like this one, but the opposite. It's white with the black lines, and I just happen to like the polka dots a little bit better, so I went with those instead. Next, they have this entire collection of really cute little dog Halloween figurines. I will insert a picture here of all of the other ones. This one was my favorite though. It looks like it's probably just a little lab, and he's wrapped up like a mummy with a little jack-o'-lantern. I thought this one looked the nicest. I don't know, I mean, they all actually looked really nice. They had just like really popular dogs, so I'm sure so many people will find their dog there. So they didn't have Chip, unfortunately, but this kind of reminds me of my parents' dog a little bit. And I don't usually get decor like this. I try to go for a little bit more sophisticated style. Not that there's anything wrong with these cutesy things, it's just a matter of preference. But I was thinking this would be really cute in like a 3-tier tray for Halloween as just like a little simple touch. Next, I picked up these Sugar Skull tea light holders. As far as I know, there were only 2 versions, but it was kind of hard to tell like looking at them how many different ones they were, because the paint job is like a little bit off on some of them, if you know what I mean. But I'll get up close so you can see. These are resin. So far everything I have shown you is resin, and that is what this one looks like. Oh, that paint job's a little rough, and you would put a tea light in there. So this is the other one. I think I like this one better because it has the roses, so it's kind of like a guy and a girl. But I got these for Jose in case he wants to decorate his office for Halloween. He loves Day of the Dead stuff, so yeah, I got those, and they might be cute to set out if we have a Halloween party. So I just got 2 because I don't need a bunch of this little knick-knacky stuff. Next, I got these LED pumpkin lights. There are 10 lights, and they are just little jack-o'-lanterns. I don't know if you can see that. So I just thought these would be fun in my entryway. Let me take them out so you can see. So this is what they look like. They're very cute. There are 10 of them, and I wonder if these pop off. Yes, these do pop off, so you know, be aware of that, and you might be able to use them for more seasons than just one since they do pop off. The only thing about these Dollar Tree lights that I don't love is if you see right here, there is a little screw that you have to unscrew to put the batteries in, and you have to have a little itty bitty screwdriver to do that, which can be a pain, but yeah, I mean, it's still a good deal for $1. Next, I picked up these styrofoam pumpkins. I thought that maybe I would make a wreath out of these since, like I said, I don't do a ton of Halloween decorating. I'll just make my own wreath, probably a small one out of all Dollar Tree supplies. So I don't know, if you guys want to see that, let me know. It'll probably be sometime towards the end of September, but this is kind of like a light orange glitter with the black polka dots. and this is purple glitter with the same kind of light orange lines, and they're both very pretty actually. And like I said, they are styrofoam. They're very light, so you could put these on a lot of different crafts, or you could use them as vase filler. The last seasonal item that I have is an exciting one. I found more of the cotton stems. So the store that I went to was fully stocked on these, and I was really shocked, but they did have them in kind of an inconspicuous spot. I don't think on purpose, but yeah, I ended up leaving probably like 15 of these behind. So I didn't take them all, even though I wanted to, but I just, you know, who needs that much cotton? But my dad was looking for these, so I got him 3, or he can have all of them if he wants, since I do have some already. And I thought I might keep 1 or 2 to DIY with, but Dad, I know you're watching because you stalk my YouTube videos. If you want all 5, they are yours. So the next item that I have is this really pretty large, honestly, cardboard box from Dollar Tree. These boxes are very sturdy. They're nice gift boxes. And of course you know that this one is not gonna stay like that. I may use this in my fall DIY dupe challenge video for the DIY that I'm doing, but I do have another option. It's just a little bit pricier, and I do want to keep the cost of materials as low as possible for that video. So you guys will have to let me know. Do you like the most affordable DIY supply items when you watch DIY videos, or do you like when somebody uses like the perfect item even if it costs a couple dollars more? Some of you guys are like, girl, what are you talking about? But yeah, those of you who are DIYers or love watching DIY videos, let me know. And the last 2 items that I picked up are these little keychain poof balls. This one is yellow fuzz with the glitter leaves. It looks like a pineapple, and they're just called pom-pom keychains. They look like they were from the spring collection, but everyone's getting them in stores now, which is bizarre. They're putting some summer stuff out now, which now is late. I mean, it's mid-August, like summer is nearly over, but whatever. So anyways, I got this one, and then this one is my favorite. It is hot pink with the gold glitter ears. It's kind of like maybe a cat or a bunny, but these obviously are not for me. I'm starting to save items for Jose's cousins and nephews' Christmas stockings. I made them all Christmas stockings last year. So I got these for the 2 older girls. I think they will love them. So that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. I actually had a different home decor haul video going up today, but I postponed it because when I went to Dollar Tree, a lot of these items were already kind of starting to get picked over, especially this pumpkin. There were only 2 left when there were tons of other kinds of pumpkins left. So I wanted to get it up, so you can expect a fall home decor haul coming up in like a day or 2. If you saw something in this video that you like, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already, and if you haven't hit that bell, go ahead and hit that so you don't miss any of my fall or Halloween videos, my DIYs, and things like that. And I hope to see you guys back in another one. Bye.